Hello everybody, welcome back. Oh, sun's in my eyes. Welcome back to the channel. We've still got misfire issues, but today we're going to check the coils, and if the coils are alright, then we'll check the spark plugs. We'll see if we can get them fettled. Apparently, if you have the car running and unplug a coil one at once, if it's a good coil, the engine should run rubbish again, worse than it is. And if it doesn't change and runs like it is doing anyway, but doesn't get any worse, then that's the coil that's knackered. So we'll do that. We'll get it fired up in a minute. We'll do that, and then we will start unplugging the coils. If all 5 coils are fine, then it's a spark plug issue. We'll take them out again and we'll have a look at the gaps, and I don't have any feeler gauges, so we might just have to squeeze them up a little bit or find something that's like thinnish that we could maybe use as a fake feeler gauge. Yeah, and we've discovered something bad on the car. I'll post a picture of that later on, but it's upsetting. But we're not going to be sad about it. We are very sad. Right, so we'll get it fired up, and we'll start unplugging these coils. Bear with me. Right, so let's fire her up and we'll see what happens. That doesn't sound bad. That doesn't sound like she's misfiring. That sounds like she's meant to. Was it a bit of water in one of the plugs and it's dried out? I'll be happy if it is, but that'll spoil today's video, because the video we're going to be that. I'll have to think of something else if it is. Certainly doesn't sound like a Subaru, does it? We'll have a few little revs. Oh my! Sorry about that. I think she's fixed herself. She's going to run out of fuel in a minute, but yes! Oh my god, she's fixed herself. That is fantastic, because now I don't have to buy the parts well, I'll have to service her, obviously, because she's due a service. I've got a bit of, what is it there? A bit of fluff. But that means the part that we found that's knackered, we can afford to buy eventually. But that sounds exactly like it should do. Like, just, oh, I love this car. Oh. Right, so turn her off before she runs out of fuel fully. I'll put window up as well a minute. So, right. You saw me in my mouth then, didn't you? I have to find a different video for today, because be a 3-minute video otherwise, won't it? Right, I'll see you in a minute. So now the misfire's fixed herself. I think what we'll do, we've got her out anyway, because I've had to put some air in one of the tyres. I think we'll just undo plugs there, and we'll see if we can blow all that bit of shit off it, see if it looks any better, and maybe see if we've got any cleaner that I can use on it just to get it tidied up a little bit. It just looks like a bag of shit, to be fair. So yeah, I'll get you set up somewhere and we'll get compressor going, because once that's running you won't be able to hear me. Or oh, hello. Yeah, we need to learn. This seat, my tripod's buggered. We need to learn. You're twisted. Hello.
Give me the keys. I'll go get a fix.
What?
Give me the key.
Why have you got one?
Give me a key.
It's that one to get in the house.
I don't need one.
Yeah. So we'll. Yeah. We'll get you set somewhere and we'll get all that blown off. You won't be able to hear out, so we'll probably put some crappy music over this or something, or we'll figure something out. Right, so hair plugs. I need to learn about angles, because my arm spends all its time in here and you just spend your time watching. See, better camera angles. The youth's educated me. Because what do I know? Nothing.
Not about camera angles, apparently.
Apparently not. Screwdriver. See? There we go, just like that. If in doubt, screwdriver. You know your sister's going to be annoyed that you featured in this video.
She's going to hate me.
She's not going to be happy. I'm going to be in bad books. She's not going to be happy with me. Right. I'm so happy that that's basically sorted itself out.
Yeah.
Like, right, do you want to grab an 8mm spanner? Socket, please, KK. The advantage of having youth here today is he can be an errand boy for the tools. Although last time he was an errand boy for the tools, he did complain at me. I do need a ratchet as well.
You said socket.
Oh my days.
You said socket. I'm not a mind reader.
I thought you knew.
I don't know all about this.
Youth needs educating.
Yes, otherwise youth would not be here.
Is that the right one? Has he got the right one? Has he? Oh, he has. Will you get me a small extension bar? I'll be back in a moment. Yeah, that should do. Right. So we're doing that. We've undone the plugs. We're just undoing the earth strap on them. Put that up there. Undo this one as well. Then we can move the wiring out the way and see if we can get it cleaned up, because if we can put cover back on it, and then that's one less thing to be worrying about. Where did that screw go? Oh, there it went. It's always nerve-wracking messing with screws in this area. Not really. Ish. You get the gist. It's semi-helped clean it. Right, so we'll get compressor. We'll go with gun, and we'll see. do we take coils out, put some blue roll in all, and try the brush on the drill? We'll do that. So you undo that. Yeah. Just undo that one. Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, let's just... Oh, I don't know why I've turned you around like that. Yeah, it's looking alright where we've just cleaned it slightly, like. Is I'll carry on with that. Well, we will. Me and they and me. And I've got something in my hair. Ugh. Dropping tools. Yeah, and then the next clip, what have I got there as well? It should be semi, maybe fully done, but you'll see it in 3, 2, 1. So we've cleaned them up. They're not perfect by any means. It's not 100% sparkling. It's a lot cleaner than it was, so we'll get it all plugged back in and we'll get covers back on, and I suppose we can set you up and show you along, so just bear with. Right, so we have to plug these wires back in, and yeah, and we need to do the earth straps as well. Might do them now actually, whilst I remember, and whilst they're a bit easier to get to, because I'll forget and then I'll be like, oh, it's not starting, why not? It's 8 mil, isn't it? Where's that 8 gone? Have you got it?
I get it, yeah.
Oh, I've got it. I've got it. Sorry.
You will be.
It's rude, isn't it? I need to... You probably just see my arm. It's probably all you can see. Need some, like a mag mount or something that you can go up there, or...
What about a head? What about head cam?
Look, an even bigger pillar than I am. It's all about figuring out angles, but it's in engine bay, so either if you're over there you'd not be able to see because you're this arm, and there you see this arm, and
Oh.
It's all Armageddon. I'm funny, aren't I? Hey?
Hilarious.
I'm glad you think so. I'm glad you think so. So, plug. Plug. 1. 2, 3, 4. That makes 5. Which means all 5 cylinders are primed and ready. They're not, but they are. They're not. They are. They're not. Who knows? Pull that out of there because we had to take the crossover pipe off. Again, like last week. In fact, stop! I need to go get cover on.
Is that it? Well,
on that, right down in that hole. So right down in there, see? You see it? So what I do, I put it on, not on a screwdriver. I saw this on YouTube on somewhere over the top. Boom. On. See? It's as easy as pie. Until you put your spanner, your socket on and it falls off. Because why would it not? Don't touch it. Oh, we mustn't have a 10mm out. That'll be why it don't fit on. 8, 9, 10. Extension. Thank you very much. And then that should go on there like that. Oh, yes. Mechanic. Not. Alright. Oh dear, she's off to get in trouble. Oh, no. That, it'll want a deep 10mm spanner socket on it because it does. In fact, it might do it. We'll tighten this one up as well first and then we'll carry on with that one. Then she's back together for a minute, and then I need to show you the disaster, the bad bit that I said earlier. Oh. Seemed to go on and 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 on. That did, didn't it?
Yeah.
There we go. That's done. That's on. So she's back together. We'll go have a look at the bit that I was on about, and we'll just shove you down there. Oh no, what's going on? Yeah, so she's done, but now I don't know if you oh man, we'll swing you around. Oh, look at the wing. Oh no, she's oh yeah, so that's buggered. I'm hoping still is good. It looks to be. It just looks like it's that wing that's perished. So yeah, we'll probably other side's probably going to be the same as well. To be fair, I'm not looking because I will be depressed. But yeah, we'll done dusted. We'll have to order 2 new ones now. That's all on. Batteries in and secure. That's on clean, no misfire. So yeah, so thank you for watching. Thumbs up, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe. It's free. I've got 9 subscribers, so I need 1 more to be in double figures, and they'll be big time 10. Yeah, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.
Promise you you'll catch me.